You might have heard about the saying, work is worship. We all study since our childhood so that we can grow up and become a successful person. Come with me for a very good work day in my life. I remember I used to work so hard during my examinations because I was not only a very serious student, but I used to also participate in many extracurricular activities. So I had to work double hard to get good grades in my exams so that I become a very good person and I get the best job. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel for a brand new video. I'm super excited to talk to you all again as I have come to visit my office, and obviously I go to office every now and then, but today's day is a very special because I've just not come to my office. I've come for a very special purpose, that is training some of my colleagues, some of the employees about security compliances. From a very long time, everybody wanted to hear about what are the latest security compliance trends that are going on and how our company can improve. So I've come to do that and meet everyone, talk to them, understand where they are standing, what challenges they are facing. So yeah, and the office is a newly opened office and I'm very excited to see the entire office space, what amenities are there. So I'm very excited to show you guys. Hey guys, today I had an amazing experience in visiting my office and training many of my colleagues and employees on different security compliances. We covered everything from PCI DSS, SOC compliance, ISO compliance, different security controls like network security, BC, DR, and even UAE regulatory law based compliance. It was such a blessing to have almost 30 to 50 employees come together to learn about these important topics. The office itself is so stunning with so many amenities and beautiful layouts. I had the chance to sit in every section of the office, from my personal desk to the boardroom and the personal meeting room. It was so much fun trying out different layouts and seeing how everything works together. But the real highlight of my day was teaching my colleagues and my employees about these security compliances, because it was a pending task and it was pending from a very long time. It was such a rewarding experience to see them learning and growing, and I felt so confident in my professional role, and I was so helpful that I could give them advice as a lead advisor and an expert trainer on these compliances. Overall, I had an amazing time visiting my office today and training my employees on these major topics. It's clear that this company takes security very seriously, and I'm very proud to be a part of it. So yeah, I really hope that you guys love to see my video where I'm visiting office, where I'm teaching. So I have recorded few clips where I'm training my team members about security compliance, and I hope you really like it. So yeah, stay tuned for the video. I was selected for the cybersecurity training workshop because I have been doing a lot of cybersecurity related projects. I have been doing a lot of cybersecurity related audits for international banks, national banks, and different kinds of fintech systems. So I was given this training room where I had the whiteboard and everything, markers. So the matrix that you can see over here is the risk control matrix, and yeah, and it had a very good view and all chairs and everything. I really liked the setup. It was a modern office look kind of a setup and I really liked it. So yeah, here is all my work related items, my laptop and everything, and it was a very good sunny day out there. And yeah, I was just waiting for all my employees, all my co-workers to come so that I can start with the session and teach them more about program management, cybersecurity and hands-on workshop. This is me finally starting with the presentation, and over here I have described a risk register where I have kind of described how we kind of do a risk scoring. If you all want more details about specifically about how risk management works, how banking risk management works, do let me know. I will definitely tell you all there, but I don't want to bore you all with such technical jargons and technical knowledge. So here is me giving the presentation, making all my co-workers, my teammates understand about the importance of security management. And it is not always about the theoretical knowledge. We also have to keep ourselves updated on the tools that are available in the market. So yeah, I have written small tips on how cybersecurity program management can be done, how network security can be done. If you all want, you all can just pause the video and go through my tips and grow yourself. If you are a budding engineer or if you are a budding master student who wants to learn more about cybersecurity, program management of cybersecurity, risk management, please do let me know. I will make a detailed video about that. And next I came to this room to work all alone. So yeah, I got this amazing room to myself where I was sitting and checking my mails and replying to all the necessary things and completing my work. This is me giving you all a very small room tour of my cabin. Like, this is the boardroom where we all sit and have board meetings and conduct a lot of, internal meetings to come to a strategic decisions and understand cost profit analysis. So yeah, now it's empty, but usually it's always very filled. And this whiteboard that you can see here is not always so clean. Some or the other notes are always written here. Boardroom, we usually book this boardroom when we have to present board presentation, CTO deck presentations. So I wanted to visit my office and so that I can show you glimpses of what all things are there in my office. Usually I don't do that, but yeah, this is my cafeteria, and in the cafeteria towards the left hand side you can see plug points where you can charge your laptop. And just look at this mesmerizing view, it's so beautiful. So yeah, this is the cafeteria of our office, and you can see small cabins are there where we all can sit and work together. This is a cabin in 29th floor where you can just, if your clients come in and you can discuss about your projects here, the progress of the projects over here. And yeah, and this is another boardroom which was situated in the 28th floor. So there are multiple boardrooms for multiple reasons. And this right here that you can see is the main lobby area. Like, once we enter our office, this is the main common area where a lot of people, there is a projector out here where you can watch match or anything you want to watch in a group. So yeah, it's a very cool place to hang out. And these are the NAS tables, and this is the outside of the office. So beautiful, really like hanging around here and just having a good time. We do have a gym, and yeah, after our office we can access the gym. That is for free. It's for the employees, so I really love that part. And I didn't know this about my office, so I was just walking past the gym and I saw swimming pool. I was completely shocked and taken back because I didn't know that my office had access to swimming pool, which is completely free. So yeah, I was really happy that someday I will definitely come here for a swim, because it's summers and it's very hot. We need the swimming pool. And yeah, that's it guys. I think I'll just head home. And yeah, I really hope you like the entire office tour. So as you guys saw, the entire office, the entire journey of entering the office, talking to the employees, talking to the people who had come to learn, and having coffee, working on the laptop, and yes, obviously we cannot record every single thing as it's an office space. Obviously we are here to do our work, but I still wanted to record some things about my life, because when you see online or when you see someone's journey, you always feel it's so easy. It's nothing at all, and I am emphasizing on this again and again. No, guys, it's very, very tough out here. Doing a job in this market is so tough. People are not getting what they are capable of getting. The job market is going on so tough. So I understand the value of work. I understand how important it is to work, to get work, and to be able to do your work properly. So yeah, that is the reason I try and give this glimpse of my life as well, about my work, what I do, how I do it. And yeah, I hope you really can relate to me, because even I love watching relatable videos to get inspired from. So this is my small little effort of showing you about my life, my work, so that even you guys can relate with me and get inspired from. If you like such videos, do let me know, so that I will continue to make such videos again and again. And yeah, lastly, I wanted to tell you all, I have always been a computer geek. Okay, I have always loved coding, developing web applications, websites, iOS applications, Android applications, and now I'm in this field of cybersecurity. But one thing is there, none of this came easy when I was into coding. That also I remember, I used to work so hard, fail so miserably. I used to get like 300 error lines of code and decode them, polish them, and then again run it. And right now I'm in the field of cybersecurity. It is so scattered, nothing is permanent, everything changes every single day, not even days, I think in hours and seconds. Cybersecurity field keeps on changing in seconds. So I really feel that for me, it's very important that I give my 200% every day to keep myself updated on what latest threats are going on in the market, what latest technologies are coming. So yeah, this is the only reason why there is a delay of me in uploading videos and stuff like that. So yeah, that I wanted to inform you guys. But yeah, I mean, just want to tell you all, please do give me all the love that you can. Please watch my videos till the end, and please do leave a comment about my video, what you guys are liking about it. It will really help me. Please do like, share, and comment down on my video. I know this sounds so cliche, but guys, it's a part and parcel of everything. So I really would want that. So प्लीज़ गाइस थोड़ा सा लाइक कर दीजिए, कमेंट कर दीजिए, और ये वीडियो सबके साथ शेयर कर दीजिए. एंड प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट to hit the notification bell icon. If you do that, you will get notified whenever I upload my video. So that way you can keep a track of all my videos and you can watch them. So yeah, signing off guys. This is Madhumita. I really hope you loved this video, and I will definitely try to be consistent. And yeah, see you next time. Toodles. Bye bye. Once again guys, if you want to see more videos on technical topics related to cybersecurity, network security, risk management, governance, risk compliance, regulatory audits, internal risk audits, please do let me know. I will definitely make those technical videos, and it will be purely for educational purposes. Till that time, please give a lot of love to your Madhumita. Please subscribe to my channel Minky Ocean. Please hit the bell icon and do like my videos and do comment down on my videos. I will see you next time. Hopefully you guys stay safe, stay happy, stay motivated, and I will see you next time. Bye.